America has only 25 days of diesel supply thanks to Joe Biden's economic crippling policies. A diesel fuel crisis will cripple the U.S. PJ Media shared the news over the weekend. The fuel that is used to transport U.S. goods across the country is in a crisis situation. Oil prices and President Joe Biden's continued draining of the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, SPR, have dominated the headlines over the past few weeks, but analysts say a more impactful and serious crisis on the trending live stream video. Thousands turn out to see President Donald Trump in Robstown, Texas. Scheduled start time at 7 p.m. Central Time. As Bloomberg noted this week, the U.S. has just 25 days of diesel supply, the lowest since 2008, according to the Energy Information Administration. Retail prices have been steadily climbing for more than 2 weeks. At $5.324 a gallon, they're 50% higher than this time last year, according to data. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration (EIA), diesel fuel is used to transport goods and run military vehicles and tractors of farms. Most of the products we use are transported by trucks and trains with diesel engines, and most construction, farming, and military vehicles and equipment. As a transportation fuel, diesel fuel offers a wide range of performance, efficiency, and safety features. Diesel fuel also has a greater energy density than other liquid fuels, so it provides more useful energy per unit of volume. In 2021, distillate fuel consumption by the U.S. transportation sector, which is essentially diesel fuel, was about 46.82 billion gallons, 11 billion barrels, an average of about 128 million gallons per day. This amount accounted for about 77% of total U.S. distillate consumption, about 15% of total U.S. petroleum consumption, and on an energy content basis, about 25% of total energy consumption by the U.S. transportation sector. Diesel engines in trucks, trains, boats, and barges help transport nearly all products people consume. Diesel fuel is commonly used in public buses and school buses. Diesel fuel powers most of the farm and construction equipment in the United States. The construction industry also depends on the power diesel fuel provides. Diesel engines can do demanding construction work, such as lifting steel beams, digging foundations and trenches, drilling wells, paving roads, and moving soil safely and efficiently. The U.S. military uses diesel fuel in tanks and trucks because diesel fuel is less flammable and less explosive than other fuels. Diesel engines are also less likely to stall than gasoline-fueled engines. Diesel fuel is also used in diesel engine generators to generate electricity. Many industrial facilities, large buildings, institutional facilities, hospitals, and electric utilities have diesel generators for backup and emergency power supply. Most remote villages in Alaska use diesel generators as the primary source of electricity. The Biden regime, with its holdovers from the Clinton and Obama regimes, has put the American economy in a dangerous position. Biden is now begging for oil from these America-hating radical regimes.